Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to be installing these rims on my 2013 CTS coupe, and this is the all-wheel drive. That's important in this as well. So these are the Z28 Camaro rims. They are a perfect fit for our CTS coupes. These are staggered, so they are 20 by 10s for the front, 20 by 10s for the 20 by 8s for the back. They are a plus 35 offset on them. They have the exact same center the center bore as ours, which is 66.9, and of course they're 5 by 120s. So these are a perfect fit. I have tires coming in. I'm going to be installing those. I'm going to be putting the tire pressure monitor sensors in here. I'm going to get them balanced, and we're going to get them on, and we'll see how they all look in the end. So follow along with this, okay? All right, guys, excuse the office. I'm remodeling the bathroom. So it's a little messy in here right now, but these are the tires that I'm going to be putting on the rear. These are two 85/35s for the rear, 20s of course, and the fronts are going to be two 45s, 20s of course for the fronts. The fronts are still en route to my house. And of course the rotors. We're going to be changing out the rotors we have now. We're going to be going with drilled and slotted. And yes, everyone, I know drilled and slotted doesn't bring any performance gains to it, but they look good, and that's the reason I'm putting them on, because they look good. They don't reduce your braking ability. They don't really provide you any additional benefits, but they look good. And so we're going to be putting these on too, on the front and rear. These are the fronts, and the rears are still en route. So once everything gets here, we're going to put those on as well. And of course, we're going to be putting the tire pressure monitors on each of the rims as well to make sure we don't get any tire signals on there. And so once everything in, we'll start working on getting these installed. All right, so all the tires have made it in, and I have the rims in here as well. I put the tire pressure sensors inside. So now I'm off to the tire shop to get these puppies mounted. All right, so I have the rims, the tires are mounted up, and so we're gonna now move over to transfer them over to the CTS. And remember, this is all-wheel drive, so we're putting staggered rims on there. There's gonna be two 85s in the back, two 45s up front. And I have, these are factory rims on here now. I am running two 1.5 inch spacers up in there, or adapters, in order to push the wheel out to where it's at now. So of course that will need to come off as well. No adapters or spacers up front. All right, so this is how it looks with the 20-inch Camaro Z28 rims on there and the drill and slotted rotors installed. How you guys like? Hopefully you like. Hit the like button and please hit the subscribe button as well so you can see all my other YouTube videos out there working on my Cadillac CTS. Thanks for joining.